In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use the para method to organize my life using a free Notion template. If you're looking to bring a bit more structure into your day-to-day tasks, this could be just what you need. Notion, as a powerful tool for creating personal and professional workflows, offers a range of templates, and today we're tapping into their resources to set up the para method, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. This framework is designed to help you sort through life's chaos, and it works wonders in Notion. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Notion workspace. If you haven't already, click on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of your Notion dashboard. This is your gateway to accessing all the customization options you might need, including the vast library of templates that we'll explore today. Clicking on your profile will trigger a menu where you can find various settings along with the template section. Now, from this menu, go ahead and click on Templates. Notion's template directory is quite extensive, offering solutions that range from simple checklists to complex dashboards tailored for personal and professional uses. The template section is where we want to be to bring the para method to life in our workspace. Once you're in the templates section, you'll want to focus your search. In the search bar, type in para. This step narrows down the myriad of options to exactly what we are looking for. A template that succinctly captures the principles of projects, areas, resources, and archives, and allows you to easily implement this system into your personal organization strategy. As you type para, a number of template options should appear. Look for the one labeled Simple Para Framework. This particular template has been thoughtfully designed to provide a streamlined approach to implementing the para method, an effective shorthand for keeping everything organized in Notion. Simply click on this template to proceed. Once you've previewed the Simple Para framework and decided it's the right fit for your organizational needs, you'll see an option to add this template to your own Notion workspace. Clicking Add integrates this framework directly into your Notion environment, ready for customization and use. Now, with the Simple Para framework set up in your Notion, you're ready to start sorting your tasks, notes, and projects under the 4 categories. Not only does this help to declutter your workflow, but it also ensures everything is stored systematically and can be easily accessed whenever needed. And there you have it. A few quick steps to organizing your life using the para method in Notion. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're ready to embrace a more organized lifestyle. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more productivity tips and tricks.